Hello everyone, we are thrilled to introduce Code India, an exciting summer initiative from Progra Kids Coding School, where kids teach other kids to code through fun and engaging classes designed to spark creativity and innovation. It's completely free, it's fun, it's by the kids and for the kids. So let's dive in. Code India is a unique initiative where every Progra student becomes a young coding ambassador, and their mission is to teach the basics of Python to five other kids, where their friends, cousins, neighbors, or classmates. The classes will be mostly be online, making it easy and accessible for everyone. This is more than just a program. It is significant efforts by Program Kids to build leadership and coding skills at a very young age. Why are we doing this? Because we believe in the power of sharing. This initiative will spread awareness about coding to kids and parents. It empowers young minds to lead and share knowledge, and importantly, it helps build a digitally skilled generation that can take the world forward. So, how does it work? Every student teaches to a minimum of five kids this summer. They will be teach in person or online. They'll use simple Python concepts they've already learned with us, and they'll share stories, photos, and program progress with our team so we can celebrate and support them. You may ask, why should my child teach? So the answer is teaching is one of the best ways to learn. When kids explain something, they understand it better. They also gain confidence, build communication skills, and step into leadership roles even at this young age. So, what do other kids gain? The children being taught also benefit immensely. They get introduced to coding early, they start thinking digitally, and most importantly, they realize if my friend can do it, so can I. That's incredibly empowering. So, how parents can help on this? As parent, your role is vital. Encourage your child to take part, help them connect with five kids at least, give them time and space to teach, and share their progress with pride. This is something to celebrate. So, we understand teaching is new for many kids. That's why our team will provide easy to use resources, simple lesson plans, and continuous support. So, we are here every step of the way. So, and this is not just a summer project. This is a movement where kids are teaching kids, creating a ripple effect. We are building not just coders, but confident communicators, curious learners, and future-ready leaders for a stronger digital world. Let's work together to make this summer unforgettable. And for any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the numbers on the screen. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's spark a coding revolution. And how to enroll? So please fill the Google form given in the description, and even you can join our WhatsApp group, or you can message us or call us. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you for interest, and see you. Bye bye. Have a great day.